In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add JavaScript to your Wix website. If you want to add custom functionality to your site, Wix gives you two main ways to do it. And the right option depends on what you are trying to build. One method is best for real site behavior and workflows, and the other is better for displaying visual code-based content inside a page section. Let's start with the best option for custom functionality, which is using Velo Dev mode. If you want to write your own JavaScript to control page elements, create custom web forms or work with data, this is the approach you should use. Begin by opening your site inside the Wix editor. Once you are there, go to the top menu bar and click Dev Mode. Then choose Turn on Dev Mode. As soon as you do that, a built-in code editor panel will open at the bottom of the screen. This is where you will write and manage your site's JavaScript. From here, choose the Page tab if you want to add front-end JavaScript for only the page you are currently editing. If you want code to run across the entire website, use the Global Master Page (JS) tab instead. That's useful when you need shared logic across multiple pages. Here is one important thing to understand when working in Wix. Velo does not allow direct access to the browser DOM in the same way a traditional website might. Instead, Wix uses its own system. You will select page elements using the W selector and interact with them through native Wix APIs. That's important because it affects how your JavaScript is written and how elements are controlled inside the platform. Now let's look at the second option, which is embedding an HTML iframe. This is the best choice if you already have standard HTML mixed with JavaScript and you want it to appear visually inside a specific section of a page, like a widget, tool, or custom display area. To do this, open your site in the Wix editor. Then click the plus button, also called Add Elements. On the left sidebar, go to Embed Code and select HTML iframe. A placeholder box will appear on the page. You can drag it into position and resize it so it fits the layout you want. After that, click Enter Code right above the box. Make sure the code option is selected. Then paste in your HTML and JavaScript snippet and click Update. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.